In partnership with Jammu Municipal Corporation JMC, HDFC Bank, Center for Environment Education and Regional and Urban Development Agency, service provider, and support from Jammu and Kashmir State Pollution Control Board are implementing the project Rural and Urban Landscape Free of Dry and Plastic Waste at Jammu, Jammu and Kashmir. Project has envisioned functioning of Material Recycling Center MRC to support maximization of materials efficiency and use from Material Recovery Facility MRF to bring integrated and circularity solutions.
सेंटर फॉर एनवायरमेंटल एजुकेशन HDFC बैंक एक अनूठी पहल की है जिसमें मटेरियल रिकवरी सेंटर स्टैब्लिश किया गया है जम्मू शहर के अंदर। इस MRC के अंदर एक यूनिक PPP मॉडल यानी कि पब्लिक प्राइवेट पार्टनरशिप मॉडल को लाया गया है, जिसमें कि म्युनिसिपल कॉर्पोरेशन, MRC की टीम और सारे रैक पिकर्स जुड़ के हमारे यहाँ के प्लास्टिक के वेस्ट को किस तरह से सस्टेनेबल तरीके से डिस्पोज ऑफ करें, प्रोसेस करके इसको स्टैब्लिश किया गया है। 5 टन पर डे की कैपेसिटी वाला ये यूनिट एक मॉडल है जो कि पूरे देश में और अलग अलग ULBs में लगाया जा सकता है।
3 to 5 metric tons per day zero discharge. No waste MRC is established in shed area of 5,000 square feet area with manpower of 8 people. Daily process begins with segregated plastic materials from adjacent MRF fed onto the MRC conveyor belt, optimizing the transport costs. Then onto the grinder, each material separately shredded as LDPE, HDPE, PP and MLP into 5 to 15 mm chips. These shredded materials are then sent to panel-controlled washing lines. Washing lines clean the shredded plastics using eco-friendly soap solutions, followed by a drying and heating systems that removes moisture from the plastic flakes, bringing it better quality. Cyclone separator further refines the material by using centrifugal force to eliminate fine particles, ensuring high-quality material efficiency outputs. Agglomeration machine increases the density of shredded plastics by processing differently single polymers at high temperatures, forming dense plastic balls. Permitted additives are only added to enhance material quality. The processed materials are then fed into mother-baby extrusion machines, which produce high-quality plastic pellets, gattas or granules, each processed separately. Strand pelletizing cutter machine then cuts extruded plastic strands into uniform pellets, which serve as raw materials for manufacturing new plastic products. The project's zero discharge and backwashing technology in the washing processes ensure proper recycling of water. Effluent treatment plant ETP recycles all water used in the washing process, promoting circularity and minimizing waste. Waste collected from MRF, local aggregators, 23 bulk waste generators, and 50 kabadiwalas undergo recycling operations at MRC, saving nearly 3,114 liters of oil recycled per ton. Beyond waste processing, innovative programs like Plastic Lao Thela Pao have further reinforced sustainable practices, sensitizing nearly 89,525 people, distributing 4,365 cloth bags and 6,007 masks in exchange for 12 metric tons of plastic waste, promoting segregation and waste reduction. Project prioritizes community engagement and behavioral change. Through 20 awareness campaigns, 4 workshops and training sessions, the project has directly reached 1,44,782 and indirectly over 1,54,000 citizens.
Solid waste management is a serious issue. तो इसी डायरेक्शन में, इसी सिलसिले में जम्मू में एक बहुत ही अच्छी पहल हुई है। सेंटर फॉर एनवायरमेंट एजुकेशन ओवरऑल इसको सपोर्ट करते हैं along with the HDFC बैंक जिन्होंने CSR सपोर्ट किया है। I have personally visited the facility and I am very happy with the kind of work that is being done. बहुत सारे जम्मू में अलग अलग लोकेशंस के से segregated waste कलेक्ट होता है जिसकी प्रोसेसिंग होती है and then valuable products are made out of it. This is the only one method by which we can reduce the problem of waste and इससे बहुत सारे लोगों को employment भी मिलता है.
Effective waste management requires a multi-stakeholder approach, bringing together government bodies, local communities, businesses, NGOs, and Safai Mitras. In Jammu, this collaboration brought by project has strengthened waste segregation, recycling, and awareness initiatives, ensuring sustainable solutions. By uniting efforts, let's continue to reduce, recycle, and rethink waste for a better tomorrow.